Like today was set up so damn nice, man. Too. It's like I honestly really think I'm gonna have to switch to 2R because like yes, I'll lose some more trades, but like just very few. It's like I've completely lost confidence with like what I'm doing, to be honest, now, because it's just I'm getting battered, mate. It's really not good. Like this is why you need a second income and why I'm not bothered, to be honest. But oh yeah, it's not good. So you can see the daily bar closed very nice. Like obviously the weekly was bullish, to be honest, which I had the objective marked out with, which is just the range of prices from the most recent weekly bar close that traders are likely going to be inclined towards doing business primarily on the buy side of the market over the course of the next week. That doesn't mean it's going to take hold straight away. It just means that, like, over the next week, you can expect the market to gradually gravitate towards that point. Now, you then go to the fucking daily. You see that it's likely to push lower. And then the 12 hour also post bearish. Look at the 9 hour, the 8 hour. The 9 hour and 8 hour are reacting from the weekly objective zone, which I've also noticed that these zones that I mark out, which is just the whole price digit that resides in the path where at least market participants are poised to maintain certain sort of intent up to relative to what sort of intent which is most recently witnessed and that we've experienced traders have within X region in terms of how they're willing to trade X and line product at that region over the course of period of time being looked at, and how that's been unraveling over consecutive same time periods one after the other up to the region that the market's at now, and how that region is being tracked over the course of X period of time relative to the chart being analyzed. Anyway, you see that the 9 and 8 hour objective was met. Okay, nice. It's really looking good for bearishness. 4 hour, kind of a bit bullish, to be honest. The 3 hour also pretty bullish, to be honest. The immediate sort of intent around the 3 hour close wasn't really that clear, so you would just kind of go with the bullish side. Of course, that's also emphasized with the 4 hour. 2 hour bullish, 1 hour kind of bullish, to be honest. So, what do I then do? Overall, I'm bearish, so then I would look for a nice 1 hour close from prices better than those available as with the prior 1 hour bar close high to 7 in the morning. Then you get that brilliantly, and then you execute with a 15M nice pull-up bar close. You got that within the time period, and yeah, loss. Great. So overall, like it's been a profitable year, but this month has been the worst month ever. I really, I've really been bad, to be honest, this month. I mean, at the start of this month, I was 1% away from attaining another 50K funding on both accounts, and then that just like slowly diminished. Basically, I made a few errors, and then I also went on a natural losing streak. So, yeah, it's a culmination of errors made and a natural losing streak, and it's just like if I didn't have the psychology, you could easily go into a bit of a spiral, yeah. But luckily I do, and luckily I also know to trust my edge, and that yes, you're all gonna just have losing periods, but like yeah, this is the worst one I've ever experienced. So yeah, is what it is. But I honestly really do think that I'm gonna have to use 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, or at least a positive one. Um, because I mean, like overall, it's usually fine. It's all fun and games, right? But I think even in those times when it is all fun and games, I think I'm still gonna have to be like in my head, well, like yeah, you know, we're gonna have to still be aware of that. Like these times, such as that we're experiencing now, are gonna come, and you need to kind of be aware of them. And so yeah, basically long story short, I'm going to probably be using a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio from now on.